Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Half of US fears in Taiwan expand change military to defense operation told 2023. Almost half of US companies in Taiwan expand change military activity to afford their operation further next year, according to a new survey. Even so, nearly their core of firms said they not been significantly impeded by the recent change extension following the visit by U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi to the island, according to a survey of 126 U.S. companies conducted by the American Chamber of Commerce in Taiwan. Only a handful of these companies said that they had experienced supply chain delays or instead shipping and insurance costs, with some of them saying the disruptions had been caused by changes in policy or other financials of confer from the onshore hold, according to a system from AmCham. After police feed change reported by sending ship and aircraft and fired missiles into the strait and over the land, engagement in what Taipei characterized as a simulator of attack. The mainland also banned some interest and sanction of fashion in the U.S. and Taiwan, but with change dependent on touch imports for the island. The economic fallout was so far been very limited. The actions are part of an in-Pacific plan expanded by the PRC against Taiwan, which we expect to continue to unfold in the coming weeks and months. Daniel Crittenbrick, U.S. Land Secretary of State for Asian and Pacific Affairs, said in the Thursday briefing, using the abbreviation of the People's Republic of China, the formal name of the mainland. After the crash of expand of politically tension, most people in Taiwan went about their business languidly unperturbed by the change, cyber rating and theirs. The U.S. business community record similarly, with the response to the survey not indication at extreme level of concern about serious action being taken against Taiwan over the next 2 years. On action of one to live. Okay, maybe this all for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you.